Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jolene and I love all things personal finance and personal development, which is exactly what I talk about on this channel. So if you're interested in either of those things, please consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to help you design, set, and plan good financial goals for 2021. I will also give you some helpful tips to make sure that you're successful if your finances are feeling a little bit overwhelming, or if you don't even know how to achieve these goals. So the first thing that we need to do before you even start setting your financial goals is to look at your life goals and set those first. Your money should always have a purpose, and if it doesn't, there's something wrong. What I mean by this is that your money should be helping you live a better life, create more happiness for yourself, or create more experiences that ultimately make you happier. It should also not make you feel stressed or overwhelmed or anything like that. Money should be a tool to help you feel secure, safe, and allow you to bring good things into your life. Now, that's not to say that money isn't right now causing stress and anxiety and overwhelm due to past circumstances or past choices that you may have made. So this video is designed to help you change that and move forward from those feelings and into a little bit better ones in 2021. So when you're setting your goals for 2021, ask yourself what you'd like your life to look like in 2021. More travel, less stress, different experiences, a new living situation. Whatever it is, you're going to write that down. The next question you're going to ask yourself is why? Why do you want this in your life? Is it going to make you feel happier, more successful, or help you to live a more comfortable life? For example, if you'd like to live a more comfortable life and be less stressed out, what is that going to look like for you? What are the things in your life causing you the most stress? Is it your job? Is it your debt? Is it something else? Let's say that your credit card debt is causing you the most stress and anxiety in your life, and you have huge amounts of credit card debt. This credit card debt isn't allowing you to do other things that you would like to do, those things that actually make you happy and feel fulfilled. Well, then that's your why. That's exactly why you want the things in your life, and that's exactly how you should make your financial goals work for you. Your life goal might be that you want to experience more fun things in your life in 2021. Then your how is going to be to pay off that credit card debt so that you can do the fun things minus the stress. So when you're setting your financial goal, you're going to want to make these very achievable. You will want to keep it in sync with your personal goals, calculating the exact cost that it will be. Try not to make this a huge, unachievable goal, because then you're less likely to actually achieve that goal and be motivated to do it. Let's keep going with the credit card example. The first step in making your financial goal for paying off your credit card is to figure out exactly how much is owing on that credit card or the credit card debt as a whole. Because you want to create more experiences in your life and pay off the credit card because it's causing you so much stress, you will also want to calculate how much those experiences are going to cost. Write down all of these numbers and estimates and calculate this into each month, how much extra you would need. So if it's a big total number, you're going to want to divide that by 12. When you focus on the month, you're going to be able to focus a lot better. It's going to be a more reasonable number, and you'll see if the number is actually realistic for your lifestyle as well as what you have going on right now. So maybe your income isn't as high, so you're going to want to work on that. This will also show you if your goal is way too unrealistic. And this is where you'll want to break it down and maybe make it a little bit smaller and more achievable. The how. Now you might be wondering, how exactly can you achieve this? I don't know how I would even make that happen. This is the most important part of achieving your big goal, and thus creating a better life for yourself based on your why. Your why should keep you motivated throughout the how and the doing of each of your action steps. So the next step is to actually brainstorm a list of all the ways you can make some extra money to achieve your goal. This can be anything and everything from cutting costs from your subscriptions to getting a second job. After you have brainstormed a huge list of all the ways you can make more money, the next step is to see where you can cut your costs and lower your expenses. This could be the most overwhelming step for you, although it is a very crucial and much needed step that you must take in order to achieve your financial goals. You need to know where your money is going and how you're spending your money currently in order to reach those goals and make some changes. You can use my free monthly finance tracker to make this a lot easier for you. You can download it using the link in the description down below. This is an absolutely necessary step because you'll be able to see how much you can work with and how much you can change in your finances, as well as seeing where all of your money leaks are. It will also show you your biggest area of expenses and how you can improve upon that. Once you have a good understanding of where your money is going and have brainstormed a list of ways that you can earn extra money, now you're going to take the small, necessary actions. The small habits and small actions are going to make the biggest impact on your success and reaching your big financial goals for 2021. You're going to write a list of small actions that you can take to start reaching your goals. The reason why you want to write a list is that it's proven to help you remember things better, as well as help you to solidify your plans. These are going to be tiny, small actions that you can take, like something as simple as selling something for $20. This could also be something small, like physically cutting up those credit cards. The next step after this might be calling that credit card company to cancel that particular credit card, or to ask for a lower interest rate while paying off your credit card. These are tiny, small actions that will compound to help you in the long run. The reason why you want to take small actions each day is that you will be working toward those goals each and every day, and they won't seem as overwhelming or as daunting as a task as paying off like $7,000, for example. You can focus on small amounts like $100 each week, or even $50 if that's more doable for you. Once you're focusing on the small amounts, you'll be able to put those into a savings account and they will add up over the long run. Dealing with your overwhelm. If your finances are causing you a lot of overwhelm, and even just the thought of looking at them doesn't make you feel good, then I have some tips for you. Starting small, like I said before, focusing on one single task and focusing on the completion of the task will help you to not feel as overwhelmed because your focus will solely be on that task. You can also focus on the tasks that seem semi-easy or easier than the big tasks. You can ask for help. This could be from someone like me, like a money mentor, or even a family member. Understand that you're not alone in feeling this way, and that it's okay to feel overwhelmed in the beginning. Once you're able to make some small changes, it will get easier and better. Create yourself a plan, or schedule in time each and every day, even if it's just 10 minutes, to make some changes on your finances. In this 10-minute time frame, you can brainstorm more ideas, or you can do one simple task on that list. To create momentum and propel yourself forward, another method of tackling your list would be to do the hardest and most difficult task first. If you can bring yourself to do that, that is. This will help you feel much more successful and make the things on the list seem so much easier than before, because you have completed that hard task. Remember that your finances are not a short-term game. Figuring out your finances is a long-term game. There's most likely always going to be more to learn and improve upon. I know my journey isn't over, and yours won't be either. Your goals will most likely just continue to get bigger and bigger, which is so exciting. Another helpful tip is to have accountability. Finding some outside motivation could be helpful dealing with your overwhelm and help you to be more successful. Accountability is amazing for so many reasons. Make it fun. I talk all about how you can make your finances fun and turn them into a game in my last video. Be sure to check it out. I'll leave it linked in the description down below. But this video is based on why video games are so addictive and so fun. Your finances can be this way too if you watch the video and apply all the tricks and methods that I outline. If you need some extra help designing your goals for 2021 and your financial goals, as well as your action steps, check out my Rise to Riches financial audit. This is where I help you figure out the exact map to follow to reach your financial goals. You can find out more information about this in the description down below. So I hope this video helped you to start planning your financial goals. What you'll want to do is make sure that these goals are directly linked to your lifestyle goals, making them achievable, and making sure that you're focusing on the small steps that you can complete each and every day. Use the helpful tips like finding some motivation from an accountability partner or messaging me on Instagram. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.